Welcome to our car manufacturing factory. Today, I'll show you how a modern car is made, step by step.
Car production begins with raw materials, like steel and aluminum.
Each sheet is carefully inspected for strength and thickness.
High-precision machines prepare metal parts for shaping.
Only approved materials move forward in production. Automation ensures speed and precision.
Technicians constantly monitor quality to prevent errors.
Everything is tracked digitally to maintain consistency. Raw materials are organized meticulously before production begins. Every piece is logged to ensure traceability throughout production. This is the press shop, where flat metal is transformed into car body panels. These machines apply thousands of tons of precise pressure in each stroke. Robots move panels carefully to prevent damage and ensure alignment. Automation ensures efficiency and consistent handling of each panel. Each panel is inspected to meet the highest quality standards. Defective panels are immediately removed to prevent errors downstream. The press shop operates with hundreds of presses, working in perfect synchronization. Robotic precision guarantees each panel is positioned accurately for the next stage. Panels are transported efficiently to the body shop for assembly.
The press shop is the heart of car body shaping, combining power, precision, and automation. Robotic arms weld the car frame with perfect precision, forming the vehicle's strong structure. Hundreds of welds are completed in perfect synchronization to ensure safety and durability. Every weld is closely monitored to meet strict quality standards.
The assembled car frame is transported automatically to the paint and assembly areas. Trained technicians check each weld to guarantee structural integrity.
Reinforcements are added to strengthen the vehicle's body.
The roof and side panels are joined seamlessly with precision robotics. Welded frames travel automatically to the next stage in the production line.
Each spark marks a precise connection that ensures safety and durability. The body shop is the core of car assembly, combining automation and precision. The car body now enters the paint booth for its protective and aesthetic coating.
Robotic arms spray each layer evenly to ensure a flawless finish.
Each layer is meticulously applied to protect the metal and enhance appearance.
Heat curing permanently seals the paint for durability and shine.
Technicians inspect each car to ensure consistent color and finish.
Even tiny imperfections are corrected immediately to maintain quality standards. Painted cars pass through drying tunnels to set the coating perfectly.
Automated systems scan each car to ensure flawless surfaces and correct thickness.
The paint shop processes multiple cars simultaneously for maximum efficiency.
The paint shop combines technology and precision to give each car its final stunning appearance. The engine is installed with precise robotic control, ensuring perfect alignment every time.
Skilled technicians assemble the interior, combining comfort with precision. Advanced technology and modern comfort are integrated seamlessly. Robotic precision ensures that each wheel is perfectly aligned and secured. Every exterior component is carefully fitted to maintain quality standards.
Final interior details are inspected to guarantee comfort and safety.
Finished cars move to the quality control stage before leaving the factory. Every vehicle undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety and reliability.
The final assembly combines automation and human expertise to produce perfect vehicles ready for the road.
Every car undergoes strict quality checks to ensure safety, reliability, and perfect finish.
From raw metal to the open road, every car is crafted with precision. And that's how modern cars are made. From start to finish.
Subscribe now for more behind-the-scenes tours of advanced factories and production processes.